Hi beautiful people, Grace is here. I hope you're having a good day and I'm very happy to see you again. In my last videos, we talked about acupressure, how it works, benefits and guidelines. In this video, we talk about how to DIY acupressure facelift. When you do acupressure, just use your fingertips to apply steady to the points. Try to relax in a comfortable position and breathe deeply. And repeat the massage as often as you like. There is no limit to the number of times a day. If you done properly and practice it every day, you should see changes in the way how you feel and how you look in 1 week. Getting Botox and dermaplaning injection and facelift surgery, people will be worried about the side effects. Also, the trend is nowadays people are looking for more and more a natural look. So I think that acupressure facelift is one of the best treatment you should go for. Here's my checklist for you before you are getting a new anti-aging treatment. Number 1, is it easy to do on a regular basis? Number 2, does it give me a natural look? Number 3, does it make me healthier in a long term? Acupressure facelift, say all yes. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to DIY acupressure facelift. Let's go! Your lymphatic system helps eliminate your body's waste. This massage is the must to do before the acupressure facelift treatment. It's like you open the gates and drain toxins out. The purpose of lymph drainage massage is to move fluid out of your tissues into lymph nodes, where bacteria, viruses, and other harmful microorganisms are destroyed. If lymph flow is sluggish, the facial contours around your neck may start to sag. Okay, open the lymph nodes above the collarbone by pressing the hollow of your collarbones using your fingertips. Then gently rub the collarbone areas with your palms. Gently move your head from right to left 3 or 4 times. Place your fingers and tops of your palms on the side of your neck. Pull down towards your collarbone. Repeat 5 times. Gently rub collarbone areas. Press firmly into the lymph nodes located in the hollow dents just behind each ear. Place your fingers on either side of each ear, with the middle ring little fingers close to your face and your index fingers behind your ears. Put straight down towards your jawline and up and down, gently massage. Massage the other side. You will immediately feel so relaxed. Gently massage all over your ears. Massaging your ears is like you massage whole your body and you feel so amazing. I absolutely love it. This is called dry energy wash. Rub your palms together until very warm. This is one of Asian beauty's secrets. This exercise is used to improve blood circulation to the face, and also you will get a rosy and glowing complexion and smooth skin. Especially if you have a dry skin, please try this. You will love it. Now place both of your energized hands on your face. Move your hands in a circular motion, upward and downwards all around your face. Large intestine 4 is number of the go-to points for any condition related to the hands, neck, and face. This point is also very important for boosting the immune system, regulating digestive function. The point is located at the highest point of the muscle when thumb and index fingers are held together. Press down for 4-5 seconds and repeat 3 times. When you apply acupressure, try to relax and breathe deeply as you massage the area. Did you know healthy scalp means healthy skin? There are a number of very important acupressure points on your scalp. Press on these points will not only improve blood circulation, but will also reduce stress, dizziness, fatigue, and headache. Imagine there are 3 lines along the hairline. Place the index, middle, and ring fingers on the hairline, just above your ears. Start with a circular motion, going all the way up from the ears to top of your hairline. And now move to the next line. Press all the way up. Especially this massage also helps to reduce the forehead wrinkles. Then we go next line. Press all the way up. With your 4 fingertips, gently rub your back scalp just above the hairline areas, from the behind the ears to the center of back scalp. Massage the other side.